Welcome to Horsens. We are at Horsens Harbor. In the right side, there is a remarkable harbor traffic. In the left side, there is a city center. In the other side of the harbor, there is a residential area. People living in those apartments going to be disturbed every day with this industrial view. We as a TCM student got the opportunity in 1 week in innovation camp to find the solution for this area, to connect this area to city center. This is going to bring a joy for the citizen of Horsens and visitor to have a memorable and unique moment here. We're going to walk you through 4 phases of the project, from discover to design.
Discover is phase where innovation begins. It acts as foundation for what will be coming up next. In order to get a common ground for dreaming and designing, you must collect knowledge. You can do it by researching on the internet. Think about the target group. What do they think, see, feel, say, or do? You can also ask yourself open questions. After you have gathered all the knowledge, found out your problem, you can take the next step and start dreaming.
Everybody can get ideas. It is something that does not require a special training or a certain age. But in our case, we made our project with the help of tools. Firstly, we needed to have a plan which is leading us all the way throughout the process. Along the way, we tried to work with the multiple tools which were given us. Our main focus one was the brainstorming. It is well-known contraption which brings us a lot of realistic ideas, however it rarely brings us a new creative ideas. So we tried association technique, or simply the box of things, which helped us a lot in creating new, crazy and wild ideas that we had not thought of as a possibility how to create our project.
So during this innovation week, we had to deal with a challenge which goes through different phases. So one of the phase is design, which is one of the most important. So by designing, you have to take in consideration the next steps, like purpose of the building, the location of the building, and also the materials, which have high impact on the budget. You also have to use as many recycled materials in order to achieve a sustainable building. So we as a team, we tried to be as innovative as possible in order to make the best entertainment center which is missing in Horsens.
After we finish our fancy ingenious work, how are we gonna deliver it to make sure it can be more attractive to the person who keep in touch with it? The answer from us was we would like to pitch the idea through a presentation within 3 minutes. How we did that? In order to avoid pitching a boring PowerPoint presentation, we tried our best to use different kinds of innovative methods to complement the pitch, like a poster, a paper model, some rendering pictures, and so on. After we finished the initial presentation preparation, we made a show to students in other groups and received feedbacks to support us making improvements to our presentation. At the final end, when we were on the stage, we confirmed questions by listing them to show the judges we always focus on them. And then the pitch publicized the idea through NABC methods, which includes need, approach, benefit, and competition.